Me, what I think is right, yeah, when you are going to propose to me, people think it's a surprise, but it is never a surprise.
To propose.
Yes, it's never a surprise. I already know you will. The issue is I never know when. So as soon as you do it, birthday sichimanyi the when, you're now clicking my box, make it a surprise. Already birthday chimanyi, he will. Don't propose to a lady before you two both had a conversation about it, because you're going to be fucked up. These beautiful women think at it like Maridizar. He can do absolutely nothing. You start even disrespecting a man because you think you're too beautiful for him. Watch together, like you think you're higher than him. So you're starting to disrespect this man. Tagenda kugatako taswa